We're at the airport. That's my mom right there. Vlog, mom. Way to our tour guide para sa immigration.
Yes.
Madam.
So guys, wait for us.
Ano ba yung kamay? Galing
For us. So guys, wait for us.
That's the luggage. Hi guys.
Sorry. Natin 103 di ba niya?
Success. Tapos na kami sa immigration. Say hi. Vlog.
Hi.
Everything down, leave me in the
Nauna sila tita guys. Nakita namin si Bea Binene. Tsaka si Wilbert Ross.
Ano na kami nandito?
Nagpa-picture kami guys.
Wilbert Ross. Kinikilig.
Cabin crew immediately. These safety protocols are meant to ensure compliance to the existing regulations and to provide security and a pleasant experience in flight.
How? Reaction video namin guys. Because it's 12 in the morning. We're outside the airport. It's so cold, guys. That's my father, my uncle, my auntie, and then me, and then the rest of the group is. We're inside the bus. Ang lamig agad ng ilong ko, guys. Oh my gosh. For my hands. And then across us is Kevin Sean, D. Bonnie. Hindi katabi niya si ano.
Introduction first, and then we need to drive to the hotel first. We check in the hotel. We stay at the hotel for 3 nights. A nice hotel.
We're here at the hotel. Artels Collection. What a nice. a house tour. I could take you to the first, second, third floor. This is the... And then we have here... Tatlo pala yung kama. Ayan. That. Dun ka pa.
Dito yung baba. Walang ano? Ay, ito pa lang.
Na kami, guys. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna charge a phone, and then I'm gonna change clothes, and then I'm gonna remove my makeup.
Ben, cup yung hot water.
Saan?
May ano? May... Jacket yata no?
My father there is... We're back at our room. Magpapalit na kami, guys. This is mine. Alin? Ay, may advice tita.
Hi.
Punta na kami sa bus. Because we're late. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, I think complete. Yeah, complete. Yeah, we missed. Very sharp. How many floors? 8 floors. I call Jing Mao, a gold. Bring the gold home. I know Filipinos like gold very much. Okay, yeah. And also, I was told by Filipinos, they said China has the best gold and best design for the gold. Am I right? Chinese people are really good at the design. Good design for the gold too. Yeah. Yeah. You see, HSBC. That's all.
Wala kang jacket.
May gusto pa. Di ba ba?
Ang lamig.
Sige po, hindi yung ano, yan, ipantay mo.
Ito ang patay ka diya. Hi guys. Hindi kaya, ilabas ang jacket. Ang lamig.
Hindi ka kaya mo? Di ba may hintik ka?
Yep.
Saka ako, okay naman sa akin. Nakahitik ako.
Ano pa naman ako?
Nakahitik ako sa loob.
Uy, asa na yung ano?
Go. Go na.
Lamig sa mukha, guys. But here, guys, that's the tower. Magpipicture lang kami.
Yeah, very important information. Yeah, for 1 minute only. Huh? Now, remember our meeting place here, Franco. Franco. What time? 11:15. All the brands shopping. Okay, yeah. So meeting time 11:15. CR where? Have you seen the KFC? Yeah. KFC. Besides the toilet. On the right side is the toilet. CR there. Okay.
toilet.
So now when you go straight to the other side, up area. Go, go this way.
Ang lamig. Uy, ang ganda ni Tanya.
So now it's all clear. So that's street for shopping.
Lamig dati.
Meeting time 11:15 in Thanko place. Don't be late. Okay. Now.
Hey, say hi. Hello. Lamigin pa naman ako, be. Sumatago siya sa hipik. Kaya nga eh. So cool.
Video mo. Tayo.
Ito na.
Hello guys. So we're here in Shanghai. Nanjing Road.
Uy, hindi.
Ano ba to?
Ay, ano ba ito?
Nanjing Road.
Daban to.
Daban pala.
Doon pa yung Nanjing Road. We're gonna go to Nanjing Road. Kaya nga ito eh. Uy! May bala nga sila dyan. Si Tito. Ma! Si Papa, naiwan doon.
Malaki na yun. Doon din tayo nakapag-picture.
Huwag na dyan.
Saglatin natin.
Ayun o, silang dalawa lang sila pa rin yun.
Daan mo sila.
Yung power bank dito yung nire-renta.
Sarap. Pag wala hirap. Sarap pag wala hirap.
Tama ko din. Ay, video pala. Sa bahay.
Ikot mo, ikot tayo. Ikot.
This is the Nanjing Road. It's a closed road. Tapos may mga shopping area, ano. Ano tawag dyan? Pocket stores. Mamahal daw. Cause...
Expensive.
Oh, picture tayo ma!
Ito ko lang sa gitna.
Tama na. Okay na ako. So guys, currently it's 10 and super lamig. Tapos ilang percent na lang ako guys. Nanginginig. Ang pretty. Ang galing nila, no? Sobrang detailed. The details is insane.
Candies over there. Now,
This is 35 each, it's 100. Yeah, chocolate cookies, yeah, delicious. Yeah, different flavor.
Sarap.
Delicious. This is the first cookies. And have another flavor.
Done shopping. On the way to our lunch for today. This is our food for today. Hot pot. We're back at our hotel. Nagre-repack na kami ng mga pinamili para pag alis hindi kami magagahol. I need to try this. White rabbit. Kung ano yung laman niya. So, ang hula ng mother. Maano hula mo, ma? Candy? Feel ko kasi tinapay siya kasi isang block yung ano. Or malaking candy. Grabe naman kung ganun. Buksan natin tong pink kasi.
Maganda ng lalagyan.
Ang konti. Magkano to?
3 for 100. Ay, lahat yan, 100. Oo, tama, 3 for 100. 35 lang yan.
Ah, tatlong pack, 100. Okay. We're gonna taste this. Tapos ang laman niya sa isang ganito, 5 piraso.
Diba okay na? Kaya nga mag-ano ko eh.
What flavor is this? Tapos di ba may isa pa tayong binili? Yung 5 kilo. Ay, 5 kilo. Kalahating kilo. Ito guys, yung kakainin mo siya ng with paper. Ay, matiga. Matiga. Ayun lang, bye-bye. Guys mo siya, oh.